Here we go again, same time, same day, March 3 with Ima. And I am here. Hello. Feeding Lola or Ima. And here it is. I'm giving her, this is meatloaf. And that is mashed potato, corn, some pudding, bread, hot tea over here, and she's holding milk. And now I'm going to give her meat. Manyaman niya po, magya. Tapong gatas yun ma. Apa po ma hogse yan. Yeah, inom ka pa po magya. See, she can drink with her left hand. There you go. Tay po tan ipategeni. And I'm going to give you, Ima, some corn. Here it is. There you go. So anyways, that's the routine here, feeding Ima, and this is where she stays. There's another person over there preparing medication and somebody feeding. This is the bedroom where Ima is staying, and there she is. Okay, God bless.